guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we've got baby boneheads for you today. This is the exact same pattern as our regular boneheads, only reduced. And let me tell you, this pattern really likes to shrink up, roll up in the water, so they are pretty small. I'd say smaller, well, not as wide as a quarter, but height-wise they're about the same as a quarter. And again, that is the same pattern as our regular boneheads, just reduced. Black and transparent, so about any base coat color you want, other than black, obviously. You could go as dark as charcoal metallic if you want a really, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Really subtle appearance. We are using Hydrographics Activator. Hopefully it expands for me here, because you can see where I dammed off and where we're at now. It rolled up quite a bit, but it's also August in Kansas and not very humidity friendly here. And that is baby boneheads. They do print, obviously that's a three-dimensional project piece, so it does stretch them naturally just because of the three-dimensional aspect, but they did stretch just a little bit. So what you saw there on the film, they were about quarter size. Now, let me grab my quarter. They are quite a bit larger. So that would probably be best for a little bit bigger piece. Obviously humidity wasn't really on my side, so it didn't really get dammed off super well because it likes to roll out, but or roll in on itself. But I mean, I would still say that's for a larger piece, not something super small like a mod box, something maybe a little larger than that. But it is definitely smaller than the original boneheads pattern. That is quite a bit bigger. They are both 50 centimeters though, and they will both be in the skull section. And of course, that's at KansasHydrographics.com. I guess that's it for this time, and we'll see you guys next week.